So, when I think of the integration of the education in my state, leaving aside the other parts of India, I feel much more than introducing this All India service. Some other things have to be done in our state to remove this anomaly. And I feel that as far as college education is concerned, whether it be in the private sector or in the public sector, wherever it is, the government have to take the responsibility for college education. The pay and other things have to be almost similar as far as these private colleges, government colleges, and the university colleges are concerned. Unless that is done, you will not be able to integrate the educational system inside our state itself. In the final analysis, the result of the present state of affairs falls on the standard of the student. At one time, the colleges in the south, especially Tamil Nadu and Kerala, boasted themselves of having a higher standard compared to the colleges elsewhere. Now the position is entirely different. I am not speaking about Tamil Nadu. As far as my state is concerned, the standards has fallen very low, and the student coming from our colleges find it very difficult to get admission in other places. Secondly, speaking about technical education, our state, though rather high as far as literacy is concerned, in the matter of technical education is lagging far behind. And few institutions in the private sector, engineering colleges and medical colleges are now permitted. But they are also, because of so many factors, the standards are very low, and the government have to do something by which at least the technical education is immediately taken over by the government. So, to have an engineering college without the necessary appliances to teach is not only harmful to the student, but it is harmful to the state itself. So also regarding the medical colleges, these are the things on which I would like the government to pay primary attention, and then we can think of the All India services, etc. There is another anomaly. The students passing from our high school cannot get admission in the colleges outside our state because the entire system is different. Last year, there was a lot of difficulty. Nearly 2,000 students expected admission in the Mysore University. Finally, when they found that it was difficult because of the difference in the syllabus and all that, so some uniformity has to be brought in. that can be done only by making education a concurrent subject. The government should take all necessary steps to see that you have a uniform system of education.